What's up, y'all? I'm in my hotel. It's not the best hotel, but I'm in a hotel. That's all that matters. I am at Matt's. I'm in Louisville, Kentucky, and I'm on my way to Matt's. I haven't been in like 2 years, but I'm excited to meet some of the content creators. I'm excited to link up with y'all. So yeah, come with me on this journey. Okay, so I'm here at Matt's. Excuse the stuff in the back. I always got a lot of stuff in the back. But anyway, I'm rocking, wait, let me see. Today I'm rocking the vest with the camo. I feel like it was a classic truck show outfit. I got the Bass Pro hat. Let me sit this up so y'all can see me with the Bass Pro hat on. Jesus Christ. I can't even get the camera flat. Anyway, wait. I'm gonna show y'all how cute this hat is. All right, so look, y'all. This is the hat I'm rocking. This is the hat. But yeah, this is the outfit that I'm going to be wearing for my first day of Matt's 2025. Let's take y'all in there. Bye. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this goat named Betty. It's a road goat. I got a race car here. Hey y'all, it's a lot of walking. This is just one portion. It's not the whole thing. I'm waiting for Sassy to come. I'm not sure when she's gonna show up. Real talk, I'm going back to the room because I gotta go back to the drawing board and change this outfit. I don't like it. I don't like it, so I'm on my way back to my room to change. And I feel weird walking around by myself. A couple people noticed me, but I don't know. So Sassy finally made it. We're here at Matt's. This is our first time. This is our first time at Matt's, so. Okay, so like if you are thinking about coming to Matt's, get ready to walk. Damn. Get ready to walk. So yeah. I should have did that. So yeah. Hey, look, did you see I had a mic? It's on my little shirt. Let me see. I'm legit now. But yeah. Somebody go zoom in and say, see? That's why the rate's low. Wow, look at this. What do you call this? Swabby? Swabby. Wow. This is called a swabby. Okay, y'all. This is a extended. Oh my God. Oh. This is amazing. I've never been in one of these. This.
Is this a shower? Oh, I have a shower.
The shower is crazy. Like, oh my God, y'all look at. Is this the bed? Oh, this is amazing. I love this. I want this. Let me. Look. Do you think that people? You think people that have these walk down these steps often? Or do they like just use the passenger seat? So that one that we just got out of, that's a Peterbilt. And we're gonna go check out this one. I'm just gonna walk in. Wow. Is this you guys' truck?
It's mine. I'm the Volvo dealer.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. How much?
407.
407. Is this the biggest one that you can get? It is.
Well, no, you can get bigger, but it's a special order.
This is crazy. So how does it? Oh, there's the bed right there.
It's better than the Peterbilt.
That's bigger.
Looks better.
It has a full-size refrigerator. That's crazy. I didn't know these look like this in here. It's an automatic. Look at the shower. A person who would get this, they definitely.
Yes, it's a big shower. Sorry, what was that?
A person that like would get one of these, they usually live in these.
Yeah.
Double shower.
Free taco truck.
Can I have beef?
Yes, ma'am. You want the two tacos? Two beef tacos. Get that for you.
Very wild.
Y'all see that? Mud flap.
Oh my
Check them out.
Chips, queso, beans, and then whatever meat you want on it. That's awesome.
So what is that?
What kind
Those
of
are
meat you want
tacos
in
and
there?
then chips and queso.
Oh,
Nachos are bigger and have a lot more
I
sauce.
want the nachos because I like to eat.
Okay.
I want and the tacos.
You want beef, chicken, or pork?
Can I get beef, please?
Yep, I'll take your chicken.
Hey, just give it to
What y'all?
me. Like food. She really got a ticket for me to eat this. She said she didn't want it.
Who?
You, he gonna give me your food.
Oh, okay. I just ordered.
Yeah, and I told him give me your food.
Oh, I just told him that I ate a lot, so I got the nachos because he said it was bigger. I was like, yeah, let me get that. Tacos. Was I in there? Talking about. Okay, so right now we're just chilling, just killing time.
Show them my tacos.
I did. I showed them. Look at her tacos, y'all. Look, she about to take a bite. Okay, so yeah, we're just chilling, and we are probably about to go out with some of the other influencer truckers. It was so nice to meet so many people today. My voice is going away because I almost died before I started this video. Choking. What are you laughing about? Almost died. The voice is acting crazy. But we're probably gonna go out with some of the other influencers. We might meet up with Clarissa Rankin.
Tell them I'm broke. This is my job.
She says she broke because her job don't pay her enough.
2 days late.
They're 2 days late with her check.
And the return. The check returned.
What does that mean? It didn't even go
Return back.
to them? How?
It's good.
It's
I got
chicken?
the chicken.
That look better than ours.
Oh,
You
yeah.
got the chicken those over there? No, I got the same one. It's the same one that I got the taco with. Right there. Holy cow, that's a lot of. Pretty good.
Everybody got the Geico bag.
The Geico bag is fun. No, when, just in case my phone disappeared. This man had it. See, they always be saying, "Oh, he got the candy." Okay. Thank you. We know you got the phone.
Where's
Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Where my phone at?
Take it.
I knew.
Where's the phone?
I.
The phone's in that truck.
Oh, okay, let's go see the phone.
You something else.
I just had the keys yesterday though.
You something. You had the key yesterday, but you put the phone in the truck today.
No, he put the phone in that truck. But I had the key in this truck yesterday.
Y'all playing games? It's not funny. I don't see no phone here.
It ain't back here. You lost the key? So you out of the
You
phone.
lost
How
the
you gonna
key?
go out?
You lost the keys?
Well,
You
they
can't
may be
go
in my
out
house.
tonight.
They at your house.
Take no booty.
That's crazy. I knew you was gonna mess up. I knew you was gonna mess up.
Man, where my keys at though?
Where my phone?
He right here with the key. Yeah, we got cowboy hats on together, baby. Look at that. That's it right there, baby. Match 2025. Yeah. There you are.
Okay, so this is day 2 of Matt's. I'm gonna go in here and do some content with. There's a particular truck that I'm excited about. I've never seen one in person. I've seen them online, but I'm so curious. I'm so curious to see like what it feels like to sit inside of a truck like this, to see like what are the key differences between our trucks and their trucks. So this is the truck, y'all. Like, what do y'all think? I know you're fine. Could you imagine leaving a cup in the cup holder and you leaning your front forward like this? Oh my gosh.
And the thermos falls through the window.
Oh, they have a skylight up there? I didn't even notice that.
I don't know. If I tell you what to do? You know, I'm new. You teaching me. Remember that.
Oh, no, you. Get out of the way. Look at this. They can't hear me. So your knees, you real close. I can't. I was trying to show them the knee. Look at this. You drive like this?
I can sometimes.
Not you. I'm talking about in this truck.
It's a cab over.
Now look at the legs. legs are long.
You could drive that. No more swinging feet for you.
For real, they need.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend too.
Baby, we be shooting.
Look at that. Wow. I like it.
Come on board with it, baby. I'm telling you, we got a lot of stuff we can get. I'm looking for opportunities to get, photographers an opportunity. So, yeah. That's why I noticed your equipment.
Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you.
Already scoping out the scenery, like we were taking pictures, remember? I was like, why are the guys just like looking but not saying anything?
He was far, and I could see him looking. You get what I'm saying? You can see that initial contact, eye contact. You really gonna leave before I get a hug? Where my hug?
And your part, you know, 10-hour reset or 34-hour reset, it's okay.
Welcome,
But he wasn't even home.
welcome to the Real
He
Trucker
wasn't even
Podcast.
working.
My thing is,
We
it's
have-
great, right?
You
You
can't
people
drive.
know, you understand that.
All truckers that are
Hello?
drinking like right now,
Hey.
could they get, you know, arrested?
Sitting here looking like a bump on the log, waiting for the truck parade. Oh, my aunt waving.
Hi. Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So y'all know what they selling the t-shirts for?
They were right here, but they left. Maybe they're free now.
I guess they free shirts.
They're here. It's a box of them.
I don't know, just some trucker shirts with them like matte trucks.
Oh, they're right here, but we don't know if people have
The
left.
Trucker Beauty. Trucker Barbie, Trucker Beauty, Trucker...
Trucker doll.
Trucker Doll.
Nice
How
to
are
meet
you?
y'all.
Absolutely, Trucker Doll. I remember your face.
Oh,
Yeah, I recognize
you got y'all drive too?
the driver.
Oh, nice to
Oh,
meet you.
nice. That's good. How long have you been driving?
I'm back outside.
I really feel like you should have car hollers.
Nigga done made me mad. It's a video.
Timing. I need to. 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 Hold on. And it's so wide. One time. I need to hold the corner. And it's no one. One time it. Cause girl, you're not nice. You're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice when I'm nice. You're rude. Look
Are you gonna
what
get
you
something
putting me through. I never do this to you.
Are you good? Are you gonna get some? Your man.
We could find a place for you. Let's cool down, simmer, cool now, please. We cool down, simmer, cool down, love, cool down, simmer, cool now, please. We cool down, simmer, cool down, love, cool down, simmer, cool now, please. We cool down, simmer, cool down, love, cool down, cool down, cool down.
Okay, y'all, so we're wrapping it up. Wrapping it up. It's been a very wrapping it up. It's been a very stressful weekend. Alright. Sassy is doing an interview. But yeah, y'all, it's been very interesting. Very good experience, but it was just like last year, but different. And my mic went dead. So if you hear air, I'm sorry. This might make my face look skinny. Check my outfit out. I just got done. We got done with the parade, and y'all, my bunions are killing me. My feet hurt very bad. I should have brought my scooter, but I didn't think. I was like, I ain't gonna need the scooter because I ain't gonna be doing that much. But I didn't know that they have a parade at the end of the event, and they do, which is crazy. Like, you learn something new every day. So yeah, my Jeep is on the other side of this big ass building. Yo, y'all, they packed up mats so quick. They packed this shit up so fast, y'all. They packed up so quick. This whole grassy area was filled with cars.